Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing. We're out here on the north side of Fort Worth today doing another roof replacement. Now this homeowner, like many of you, is just now getting damaged, taken care of from last year. Now last year was a crazy year for storms. We had tons of storms come through DFW, a lot of homes got damaged, and a lot of people just put off those repairs because they didn't want to deal with them. They had roofers coming by and knocking on their door one after another. Hey, let me get you a roof, let me help you out with that deductible. Everybody's running an angle right, and a lot of people just want to throw their hands up and say, I don't want to deal with it. And now we're coming up at the end of that window where you have the opportunity to have insurance take care of that damage. So it's going to vary by insurance provider, but each insurance provider only allows a certain window after a loss for you to make a claim and get those repairs taken care of. So if you're one of these homeowners that's put it off, that didn't want to deal with it, I encourage you, have us come out today, inspect your home, make sure that you are in one piece, or if you do need any repairs or roof replacements done, we got to get on top of that, because the last thing you want to see happen is run out of time and then you can't get insurance to pay for that roof. That's a situation nobody wants to be in. Roofs aren't cheap and they're not something that you want to pay for out of pocket. So visit bluenail.com today. We're happy to come out and do an inspection on your home and make sure that your home and your family are safe and taken care of. And if you do need any work done, we can take care of that as well. All right, see you in the next video.